Inky, hey Cookies. Hey Chicken, how's it going? How's it going? My owner Clawbert's coming to visit. Oh, I see. This is gonna be fabulous. Clawbert's gonna open the gym tonight. I guess Clawbert has a point. Come on, let's go. Okay.
Everyone has come to see Mr. Potato open the new sports centre.
Look, it's Mr. Potato! Mr. Potato! Oh, it's just Peppa. Oh. Hello, everyone!
Chicken!
Susie thought you were Mr. Potato.
I don't look like Mr. Potato.
Potato? No, your mouth's too big.
Clawbert is bringing it to me.
No, he's not.
Seriously?
Potato.
Like I believe.
This big. There's Mr. Potato.
Did you miss me, Chicken?
Come to town.
Clawbert, you're here. I know, Chicken. You look different. I know.
Wow, that's a big potato.
I declared the sports center open.
Fantastic.
We must all exercise, like eating fruits and vegetables. Which one?
Which one
Yeah.
should we eat, Mr. Potato?
Apples, oranges, carrots, tomatoes.
Potatoes?
Why aren't you small, like a normal potato?
Because he's not a normal potato. He's got legs. Normal potatoes don't have legs. He's
I guess he has a
super
point.
potato. We watch your show every morning.
Very good. And remember to send me your drawings.
We will.
Pepper and her friends are at playgroup.
Children, today we will do drawings for Mr. Potato.
Hooray! I'm drawing a pineapple.
I'm drawing a carrot.
Very good. What are you drawing, Emily?
A pig.
Lovely.
Bookley draws super potato.
Super potato.
Oh, I see. And George has drawn a wonderful tomato.
What do you think of my picture?
Peppa, what vegetable have you drawn?
My daddy watching television.
Ooh,
Excellent.
this is gonna be great.
Inky, ink. Envelope and post them to Mr. Potato.
It is morning and time for the Mr. Potato Show. Please welcome your friend and mine, Mr. Potato.
It's great to be back. Inky, ink. I got the envelopes for you guys. I see. Bookley's so excited.
Oh, yes, of course.
I received envelope full
Full
of...
of drawings. This tomato looks very juicy.
That's George's picture.
This is gonna be great.
But this picture from Peppa Pig is my favorite. It shows Daddy Pig watching TV. Looks
Bookley
like
wants to
Daddy Pig needs some
exercise.
exercise. Eh? What? Come on, Daddy Pig. Let's do some
Up,
jumping.
down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Inky, it's great to be back.
Everyone likes jumping up and down.